Hey guys, good morning. Kendall, oh, your room's so bright. Oh my, say good morning.
Good morning.
Good night. Today's Saturday and today's my grad party. Woot, woot. Bless you. You're perfect just the way you are. I need to clean up my room. I need to get ready. We need to get balloons. Bless you. When a dog sneezes, we bless them. Kendall and I are about to get the balloons, but we both have really small cars and we ordered a lot of balloons, so we really don't think they're gonna fit. So we're both taking our separate cars, but still I don't think they're gonna fit. This is our progress. My mom's signing the guest book, which I got the Oh, the Places You'll Go book, and I wanted her to, she wrote that. I wanted her to like write in it so people could see that you're supposed to write in it. We have balloons that we're just gonna put around the place. I did this wall the other day. Oh, they're turning. Ah, look at little me. Oh my gosh, guys. Me after graduation. Look, that's my preschool graduation. And that's my high school graduation. Wow. Okay, and we have this area that says congrats grad with the sign-in sheet. That's my varsity letter. Mom, tell them what I lettered in.
She lettered in community service.
Someone asked me in the comments, they're like, oh, what sport did you letter in? And I was like, community service.
Community service is a sport.
Okay, and then I'm not gonna show this up close because it has like people's addresses, but those are all the grad card announcement things that I got, and I just like displayed them. We have a cute dog right there. Those are gonna go outside, but not yet. We have another dog, we have some flowers. This is where all the food's gonna be. Oh, I have this thing that says congrats. I'm surprised it hasn't fallen down yet. Oh, and then I did this outside with the balloons. My mom sprayed vinegar everywhere because she thought that it would get rid of the dog pee scent, but now it smells like dog pee and vinegar. Oh, they're getting like, they're getting tangled in each other. That's so sad. We're just gonna have some balloons like floating on the ceiling everywhere. Oh, and then this is me growing up, all my yearbook photos. Let's look at the worst one. What's the worst? I think 8th grade has to be the worst one.
I don't know.
Glow up. Just kidding. I glowed down. Look how cute I was in kindergarten. Oh, that was adorable. Not to be cocky or anything. Happy graduation or graduating. Actually, I already graduated.
Me too.
You know, I thought graduation would be like one of those days like you never forget, but I've forgotten about it 5 times just today. Like I forgot it happened.
It goes by so fast.
I also like don't remember the ceremony. That's why we recorded it. So I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, you're welcome. I'm gonna show you guys everything that we have. We got our food. Okay, it's not what I thought it was gonna be. There's like marinara sauce in here. There's meatballs. Meatballs are so gross in my opinion. Spaghetti. Baked ziti, ha ha ha. I keep calling Zoe Baked ziti because her name starts with a Z. She's Baked Zoe. Ha 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 ha. Oh guys, these bread things, freaking so good. I think this is like my 10th one. I'm not lying. And party doesn't even start for half an hour. There's chips. I'm putting fruit stuff here. This is for me with ASU colors. I baked all these cookies. There's so many more, but I ate a lot of them. Oops. I don't remember what else I showed you. Drinks, right there. That's Lily's toy. That's my dog. She's following me around because I have food. And, oh, these are the balloons I did. I cut the string off them and just hung them on the ceiling. And I keep moving them this way and then they keep moving back this way. I also cleaned my room. I'm pretty proud of it. It was like the first time I cleaned my room in a really long time. Oh, I'm gonna go hide this in the pantry. This isn't even mine. Here's our pantry. Pantry tour? Oh my gosh, a dog who's following me around? Who would have thought? This is what I look like. I finished getting ready. I curled my hair. I'm dyeing my hair soon, guys. Are you excited for me? I stained my dress. I don't know how.
You did?
Look at this stain. Oops, it's not even my dress. I'm so sorry, Kayla. This is from Kayla's closet. Yes, Target, actually. I stole this dress from her for buddy prom, too. Do I look comfy with all my pillows and my double chin? Hello. Hello? Have you seen that Vine? No. She goes, hello? Kendall doesn't even watch Vine. Stop trying to look cute. No one thinks you're cute. Oh, she's not the cute sister, obviously. Like, look at me from this angle. I'm obviously the cute sister. I'm bored and I'm really full because I just ate a lot of food. Food baby, she's coming in 9 months. Did I just ruin my pillow? Oh, my mom's gonna get mad at me for laying in my bed and ruining my bed being made. I don't think anyone's gonna come to my party. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm blurry again. That took a while. Hey!
First is first. This is my second cookie of the day. And it's 1 in the afternoon.
Is it good?
Oh, it's good. Keegan made these herself from scratch. She just scratched them and then they showed up.
There you go. There you go.
Look at how cute she looks. Yes, queen.
And guess whose dress this is? Not yours.
My arm's tired. I'm gonna go down here because this is my best angle. Yes, queen.
You can't see the H, but that's okay.
We know what year it is. Sinclair, you want to say hi to YouTube? Hey, YouTube. Oh my God, you can see your pretty face. She's a superhero. I'm gonna show them your cape. Superwoman is at the party. I'm so bored. Not just kidding. It's so much fun.
Very nice. No, it's really good taste. And so I
What did she say?
Goose, you're it. Parkour. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, puppies. Are you so lonely in here? As a good Zozo, huh? Oh, shoot, Lily. Hey, 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 hey. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Hi. Hi. High five. Ow.
Oh, is Kayla back in the vlogs? Everyone wants Kayla to make a vlog channel. Make a vlog channel.
I don't know if that showed me. Look at how cute.
Go, dog.
If you want to fight me, then fight me.
Are you filming?
She's just holding the
Wow, look. Remember when this was a thing? Wait, let's make a star with our feet.
Oh my God.
That actually looks like a nice star.
how you gonna like grab and shake at the same time? Under my chair. Yeah, that was smart. I was like, why did I do that? So like, did you bring it up? No, I made that. But then he tried to hand it to us in the middle of the ceremony, and the ROTC guys that was in the whole thing, and he's like, he was literally so mad because he was like, they wouldn't use our weights that had 40-pound weights that worked. Wait, well, they wanted to use the American flag, however.
The vlog is bored. The vlog is zoomed in. Sorry, vlog. Hold on. Just, you know, you gotta get footage of everything. I don't know. She says, record it. I'm like,
sound too?
yep.
Then I'll be quiet.
Okay. I know she can like take it out, but she never does. So I'm like doing things and I'm like talking like this. They can hear me anyway. Hey guys, just an update. It's approximately what, like 3 o'clock. Party ends at 4. We're almost done. Pretty much everyone's gone, so we're just eating the leftover food. Let's go try and scare Keegan. Did I scare you?
No.
Yes.
I was nervous.
You should have seen her face. It was crazy. You should have been there. You really should have been there. This is Willy Comfy. I don't know why I just talk like a baby. Look, it's a lot of room in case you get fat. You know, like the freshman 15. I think that actually happened to me. Yikes. Well, that's a thing. Apparently freshman 15's a real thing because I think that happened. Are you okay?
I tried to scare you.
I felt bad because I had a glass when she got there. So I felt like I was
Who you fighting?
So I kind of like kept
I wish this lighting didn't suck. It's getting better. We're a little partied out and a little full on cookies.
I'm going to more parties.
But
I have 2 more grad parties. Party! Oh, I don't need this anymore.
bye school! No, you have to go backwards. It's more dramatic. Bye school! Puppy, puppy, where'd you go? Puppy, puppies, I see your tail. Come here. Come here. Hi! You're so beautiful. Wow. You know when you say you're hungry, but then you eat lasagna anyway? Like if you were late, cause...
You mean not hungry?
You know when you say you're not hungry and then you eat lasagna anyway? Cause like if you were late. Hey girls and boys, if you don't know what that's from, I need you to unsubscribe. Just kidding, you should subscribe if you don't even.
We run the world, girls.
Who run the world, girls? Who run the world, girls? I hope you find that funny. Bridal style. Nope. No one's playing by the rules. I really just want to punch it so bad.
I've literally just thought about flipping the table this entire time.
Hey, when you have your vlog.
She's the Grinch.
Yeah. You want to roll the dice?
Someone just takes the yellow.
That's just a low blow, man.
It was my idea, sorry guys.
Wait, I know which one's really good. Do that one. Nope. He didn't listen. It's okay.
Yes. Right? He's like,
I will bet you like 50 bucks Keegan's gonna make it fall.
Oh.
Keegan, if you drop this,
I just need same.
She got
One, and then I know.
She's a wobbling.
Okay, you got this now. You got slow down.
Slow down.
so aggressive.
Be aggressive. Be
No, don't be aggressive.
Don't be aggressive. Yank it out.
I can't. It's
You got this. You got this
What do
now.
you mean you can't? It's like 80. I can't do it.
He has no fear. He just pulls it out and is like, I got this. It's still standing.
Should we? I want to go to. You want to go?
Keegan, you okay?
Is that blood?
Your toe gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. They're all there. Shh, it's okay, honey.
Keegan knocked over 2 purple blocks from the top and she just like put them on the table and I go, shh. I just pick them up and put them on the ground.
Which toe, honey?
You said which
toe is the strongest.
It's the strongest. I love Kayla.
Yeah, where's the soda? Which one's the soda in?
Hello, we're in Keegan vlog.
Hey, Keegan subscribers, we love you.
Like and subscribe, comment.
We love Keegan.
We appreciate you so
Just being dramatic.
We're gonna arm wrestle.
The 9th annual Keegan and Kayla arm wrestling contest. I almost said machine. Oh. Ah! Sorry. Oh my god. Whoa. That was crazy, man. Do it again.
Can we do it
I
again?
didn't know she was that strong. You're embarrassing me in front of my friends. Come on. I don't know any of these people. Come on. Wait. Pre-game. Olive Garden mint. It's really melted. Go. Oh no. I'm gonna break my arm. You're trying so hard. She's shaking. Whoa! Left arm champ. You're the right arm champ.
I don't know what to say. Should I stop talking?
I'm done.
So this is the end of this video. I was gonna try to like play it casual and be like, yeah, you know, next day, haha, but you can tell that I've dyed my hair, so it's like a week later. I think it's more than a week later actually. So after Natalie's grad party, I went to 2 more grad parties, and then I went to an actual party, which I was definitely not going to show you the actual party, but I just felt like I had enough footage from like my party and Natalie's party together that I was like, I don't think I want to make like a 40-minute vlog. So I decided not to film, and I decided not to end it. I'm sorry, but like I'm saving you guys from having to watch a really long vlog, so like, well, you know. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I think this is like the last graduation type video. If you were hating them, you're welcome, they're over. If you were loving them, I am so sorry. But I love you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.